Do you have trouble sleeping? Hi, it's Warren from Northern Irish Hypnotherapy. I'm here in my office in Belfast. Zoom sessions are available, by the way. I've helped thousands of people over the years with many issues using hypnotherapy and other techniques. One of the main things people come to me for is sleep. If it was only that easy just to click the fingers and get someone to sleep. But because you're watching this, it's probably because you've had some problems getting to sleep or staying asleep. If it's more anxiety related or a trauma, you can get one-to-one sessions with me. Just get in touch with the email address below. I have lots of audios that you can listen to help you to get to sleep, guided relaxations, visualizations, and some hypnosis recordings that will help reprogram your mind to get a good night's sleep and be a good sleeper. We all know how important a good night's sleep is, 7 or 8 hours, but that puts the pressure on us to get to sleep. Later on, I'll be telling you the number one thing not to do. So today I'm going to give you some hints and tips, some things you already know, but if we're missing one or two of these important things, it might just be the thing that's getting in the way of you getting a good night's sleep. So I have other recordings available, lots of different sleep hypnosis recordings. They're very good to get really good results. There's shorter ones, longer ones, depending on your needs. You can try some out. Like and subscribe so you don't miss new ones that will come. So here's some of my top tips for you to have a good night's sleep and to be happier and healthier. So this is one of the most important things to do. Get up at the same time every day, no matter how you've slept. Your brain loves a routine. This one's optional. Have a cold shower or just even a splash of water on the face to help kickstart your day. Ozzy. Get some morning sun, just daylight, a bit of movement, a little bit of exercise if you can. Or walk in the trees. I love a coffee in the morning, but some people are more sensitive to caffeine than others. I always limit my caffeine to before midday. Find a way to wind down the evening. It signals to your mind that you're going to sleep soon. And this is a tough one for many of us. Put the phone down as early as possible. That blue light messes with the melatonin in your brain. It thinks it's daytime. Try not to look at the clock or the phone. It only leads to anxiety and frustration. We all waking up multiple times a night. It's normal. Have a cooler room and a warm bed. Get up at the same time every morning, no matter what the night's sleep has been like. It resets your body's natural body clock and circadian rhythms. So the number one thing not to do to get to sleep is to try to get to sleep. Trying leads to frustration, it leads to panicking, it leads to anxiety. The best thing to do to get to sleep is just not care. I know if you've had issues for a while, it seems like a ridiculous thing to say, but it's the turning point that many people get to when they just let go and just go to bed to rest rather than trying to get to sleep. Trying gets in the way. I want you to take a breath in for the count of 3 down to your tummy. Using the diaphragm to push the tummy out just a little, hold for a little beat and out for the count of 6. This is your cue just to relax and be in the moment. You can listen to my recordings. They'll help rewire your mind, help clear any negativity, help clear any anxiety, help clear any limiting beliefs, help clear any issues surrounding a good night's sleep. So don't try to get to sleep. It's a natural thing. It will happen. Expect it. Almost tell your mind, it's okay. It will happen. Breathe and feel good. So I hope you found that useful. Like, subscribe, share with friends and family, anyone that might find this useful or helpful. Get in touch, let me know how you're getting on. Email me, comment below, and if you need any one-to-one help, I'm available at info@warrenyorkhypnotherapy.com, and I hope to see you soon. Good night.